Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Today I'm standing among all of you, and today I'm going to break the ice about the lie, a beautiful lie. It will be very complicated for you also, and it's you know that it's not coming into your mind that why today I'm going to tell about a lie, a topic. Why today the topic is about the lie? Because since childhood we have been taught by our parents that we should not lie, because lying is a bad habit and you should not never ever lie in your life, because lying is very a bad habit. But how a lie can change your life? You have heard, you can read this lie contains only three alphabet letter LIE, but behind these three alphabet letter there's a millions of story behind it. How a lie can change your life, how you can success in your life with this lie. You know that in this generation children take birth and they start their life, their life from education, from nursery to 12th, after that graduation, MSc, lot of sectors are there, and they try their best. In this life everybody has a dream, millions of dreams in this world. Some want to be a doctor, some wants to be an engineer, some other wants to be a cricketer, singer, dancer. Many dreams in this world. Parents send their children to get proper education and to success in life. They think that I have to wear my wings, then I will be able to touch the sky. But sometimes it happens as they predicted about the life, it doesn't run like that. They made a plan and sometimes plan doesn't work according to their plans. That time they get what they get? They get only despondency. They get nothing, only despondency and despondency. And meanwhile, many person begin to think that I should commit suicide. They had dream that I have to be a doctor, I have to be engineer, I have to be a cricketer. But suddenly that what happened with them? Suddenly that one more thought just came into their mind that I have to commit suicide. How did it come into their mind? How? They had a wish to be a doctor, engineer. Suddenly they are saying that I have to commit suicide, I won't be able to do anything. Many person made them understand that why are you thinking like this? If you did not success in life, I know that if you fail in life, the meaning of fail, that first attempt in life. If you are not able to success in life, then try one more time. If you fall down 100 times, that you have to get up 1,000 times. But you never ever give up. If you give up, then what is the meaning of life? Whenever we just grow up, we face a word success. We read in newspaper, we watch in television, the news, wherever you see that we find this word success. We know success by different types of names. If the meaning of success is one, then why this success has lot of names, lot of meanings? Since childhood, we claim success. I have to success in life. I have to success in life. If you become a doctor, that you stop that time and think that I succeed in life. That is not a real success. Life not means that one single thing. Millions of stars in the sky. If only one star will twinkle at night, the stars will not look beautiful. Same, if you become a doctor, if you become an engineer, then you did not success in life. You have to do lot of things in your life. Same here, that you should lie to yourself, a beautiful lie. You tell a beautiful lie to yourself. If you fail in somewhere, if the work doesn't work out according to your plan, you just tell a beautiful lie. Because in this game of life, many persons come into your mind with the dirty food. We cannot stop our thoughts. Person say that he failed in exam, he can't do anything. His father is a teacher, his father is a doctor, but he was not able to be a doctor. He failed in life, he can't do anything. What will he do later? He will go to plant, the salary only 200 salary will be in a month, and that's all. And he will pass life like this. But here, that when you listen to a people, they said like this rap thing about you, you accepted it. But you never try to accept that the ability I have, what I can do in my life that nobody can do that in their life. That time you lie yourself. For an example, that suppose that I have taken the seed of a mango. Here you imagine it, this is the seed of mango. If I ask you, what is this? Then what would you like to say? What will you say? You will say, what I am showing you. You will say the exact thing. You will say, this is the seed of mango. But according to me, what I am looking, people is not looking that. Today I will say that this is a mango tree. Yes, and this will give me a fruit. Then you will think that he has become mad. He's defining this, the seed of mango, a tree. How is it comparing that? How is he saying like that? Yes, it's like that you have heard about the aphorism, pigs can't fly. Yes, and you will say that I have become mad. But the truth is that, the fact is that, suppose that I will sow this seed. Yes, I will water it. The sunlight it needs, the fertilizer it needs. Then it will change into plant or not? Yes, of course, definitely it will change into a plant. Same, you work hard behind it. You just sowed the seed of this mango, you work hard behind it. This seed has no life, but as you work hard behind it, you water the plant, you fertilize it, then it will change into a plant. And this plant, when it was seeming that it has no life, when you worked hard behind it, it changed into plant, and the later the plant will change into a tree. Same here. You work hard in your life. When you fail in your life, you lie yourself a beautiful lie. Yes, today what you dreamed about that. Suppose that you have dreamed about a singer. You rejected many more times. People just saying deep thing about you. Vultures are circling. They're saying he will not be able to do anything. He can't success. You know the ability of yourself, that what I can do in my life. You have heard about the name of Marconi. The Marconi, you know the name, who invented radio. When he said to his friend Marconi that I invented such a thing that you can listen to music, then his friend, what did he do? He just took him to a mental hospital and admitted him and told to doctor, just listen doctor, that what is he saying? He's saying riff-raff thing and he has become a mad. But now today we know the name of that person, Marconi, who invented the radio. Person will not be able to see your ability. The ability is inside you. You just work on that. Today you are the seed, tomorrow will be a tree. So how a beautiful life can change your life? You just lie to yourself and you will be able to see yourself at such a stage that nobody has ever reached that, and you will break the record that has never been broken by someone. That's all, my friend.